gluteal fold and Achilles tendon, and we're walking.
Sorry, Jack. Better right here.
To either side of the popliteal space, and then we're walking back to the gluteal fold and to the Achilles tendon,
In every cartoon.
Too much.
and then walking back
Is that better here?
to either side of the popliteal space, and then go ahead and move your hand on the lower leg down a little bit, and have your hand that was on the hamstrings join and walk down towards the ankle. The hand that gets there first will press on the heel, and then we're going to take the hand that gets there second, and traction in counter directions. Now we're gonna go ahead and lift their leg up, come up into a standing kneel, and we're going to do our rocking press. Pressing with our tibia just above that popliteal space is our first press, and rocking. 1, second spot, 2,
How's the pressure, Jack?
third spot,
Okay.
3,
How's that?
and back to our middle spot, 2, and then 1. To move to a different spot each time. Go ahead and sit at a little bit of an angle, bring your leg down onto your thigh, reach across, move your leg out into a figure 4. Then we're going to go ahead and seal in the foot, pivot around. You're going to be facing the foot. Take your knee that's closest to their body and place it in the center of the glute. And then with your hand that is closer to your body, you're going to reach around to the dorsal surface of the foot. And with your free hand on the outside, you're going to scoop under the knee, and then you're going to lean to the side, lifting up. Arm is straight. Arm is lifting is straight.
How's that?
And then bring the leg back down.
More?
Then come back around by the feet. Unbind their legs. And you guys will stay on the same side you've been working. I'm just going to move to this side just to face you for this one. Okay, so you are going to be sliding under, and your leg leading comes out in front of you. Yeah, it's going to be your right leg. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. That looks really good. Yeah. You can go up there a tiny bit higher. Yeah. And then you're just going to do the pressing. Which is good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do forearm pressing. Sinking our body weight and into our arms. 1. Our second spot. 2. Third spot. 3. Back to our center spot.
There we go.
2. It looks pretty good. You could mold.
My foot was back behind, like I was sitting like with the knees out on either side, and my knee just felt compromised. So I was like back into that high sit.
1. And then rolling from pronate to supinate. Okay. That same pattern, dividing the space that we're working on, in this case the 2 spaces, into thirds. Okay. Sinking our body weight into them. And we pause just a little bit longer, Mildred, in those. So when you get in there, pause, sink in first, and then roll. Good. And now we're going to come up with our elbow around the hip, medius medius. anywhere where you feel like kind of sink in, and also where you can kind of traction, pull that muscle away from the bony landmarks.
Tabby looks
It's
down.
gone.
Then we should give her privacy. I know, like. Okay, so now.
I can hear y'all.
Hi, Tabby. Okay, tight topping. We are all just adult children. All of us are politicians.
I never said I was an adult.
Are
I just said I was an adult.
people,
I'm gonna kick your shit.
our physicians, our attorney, everybody.
I saw this picture yesterday that I shared with my friends. I said, what was the dumbest thing you did?
Oh, actually,
Oh, abs. Hey, fractioning. Okay, crossing one foot over the other foot. If you need to bring your legs out a little bit, you can. One foot over the other foot.
No,
And then stack your hands and bring your heels towards their boot. And pull back. Switch the position of the feet and then do the
I
same.
just thought I was more flexible in my quads than I was. You told me I was taking out a deep breath here. Right there. This one's a little more harder, huh? But my feet at least hitting my butt.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it.
One of them is.
You're okay. You're okay.
Okay, traction. Traction.
You're okay.
Bend the knees. And then we're going to come into a standing kneel. And then step up, and then step out with your toes. Lateral, wrap your leg around your leg. Take your hand and press it squarely onto the sacrum.
Yeah.
Put pressure onto your hand, the sacrum, and also onto the foot where you're standing on the body. Step up carefully with the other foot onto the other leg, and then begin walking. Conquest walking at the erector spinae. Just lateral to spine. Okay.
This is too much.
Okay.
That's gonna be more good. I'm also scared to figure out.
I felt like I could shift my weight like more into the back and less into my feet. Like if I wanted more pressure on the back or more pressure in my hands, you know?
Okay, support the sacrum and unwrap one of the legs. Carefully step out and then step off of both. Gently bring your legs down.
That felt good. You did good.
Okay, next we're going to kneel right as I go to fold. If their arms are up, you can sweep their arms back. Remind your client to periodically turn their neck side to side.
Hands are all
Western necks are very tight. Okay, so we're going to come up and we're going to walk on the erector spinae again. Transfer your body weight into your heel of the palm.
I feel a little more stable.
I thought for sure it would pop.
Wood pop?
I thought it would.
Okay, now have your client hold on to your forearms. Let's be careful of your forearms. Was it okay last time? That was fine. Okay. If you're gonna hold on to me, we're gonna hold on to you just in case. Just so I don't hurt your touching. Okay, we're gonna have our client go ahead and once we're all there, have our client go ahead and inhale. And then exhale, straighten your back.
I am free.
And then gently back down. And And then to each side. Go ahead, inhale. Exhale, pull to one side.
You're good? Yeah, good. Inhale now. Sorry, let me get rid of this.
And then last time, inhale. Exhale, so it's really relaxed. And then come up to the other side.
Oh gosh, I'm not that flexible with my back.
And then come back down. Okay, so now we just have either palm press rocking or forearm rolling. Always framing the bar.
Where's just their arms close here?
Just at their side. And you can either palm press or you can forearm roll, supporting with one arm and then rolling with the other.
I'm gonna do one side, palm press one time before forearm roll.
Yeah.
Get to the shoulder blades and then move to palm press.
Okay, so it should be more forearm.
Was intense? Was not much.
So is it overpressure?
Yeah, the palm was a lot more intense. Like lower output was, but your palm, especially like I don't know.